What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be taking a look at our Can-Am Defender muffler. We've had a ton of requests for this muffler, so I finally buckled down and did it. I've owned a Defender for quite some time. I really just never had the time. We were so focused on the Pro R coming out, finishing up X3 stuff, and then followed by the Maverick R. So I stayed late a couple times, and I got this knocked out for you guys. I think you're going to love it. This is our Can-Am Defender Sport Muffler. So what this is our Sport Muffler, shortened up a little bit, chambered inside twice, and we've got the exhaust tip. You're going to be able to clear your factory sway bars. Everything bolts up right up in the factory location. No heat shields needed. Everything you have in the box is included in all you need. So I guess that's kind of it for this. I know you guys came here for the sound clips. Let's jump to it. Super fast. Loud exhaust, super clean, super sporty sounding, definitely not droney. Probably the quietest exhaust you're gonna have on the market with the Can-Am Defenders. You can pick one up at RPMSxS.com. You guys wanna see a wheelie? You guys wanna see a wheelie? Wait, do we bound it?
It broke. It broke.
There's a ball joint that's broken, 100%.
Oh, it did break a bolt joint.